My students of class 5, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we are going to have our lecture unit number 5, time and distance. Exercise 5.4. Let's start from duration. As you know, in 1 year there are 12 months. When we convert year into months, we have to multiply by 12. Okay, and 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 years. When we convert months into years, we have to divide it by 12. And in 1 month there are 30 days. 1 month is equal to 30 days. To convert months into days, we multiply by 30. 1 day is equal to 1 by 30 months. To convert day into months, we have to divide by 30. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay, when we convert weeks into days, we have to multiply by 7, and 1 day is equal to 1 by 7 weeks. When we convert day into weeks, we have to divide it by 7. Start exercise 5.4. Question number 1. Convert the following units of time. Part A, 56 days into week. Class, when we convert days into week, we have to divide it by 7 because in 1 week there are 7 days. 56 divided by 7. Now you can see the division in rough work. 56 is our dividend and 7 is our divisor because of the outside. 7 8 times is equal to 56. Now subtract 56 from 56, that is equal to 0. So the answer is 8 weeks. 56 days into weeks is equal to 8 weeks. Part B, 26 weeks and 4 days into days. They mentioned that the answer should be in days. Okay, first of all you have to convert weeks into days, and when we convert weeks into days, we have to multiply by 7. 26 multiply 7 is equal to, you can see the multiplication in rough work. 26 multiply 7. Okay, 7 6 times is equal to 42. You have to write 2 under the ones column and 4 carry over the tens column. 7 2 times is equal to 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. So the answer is 182 days. Now we have to add 182 days and 4 days. You have to write days first. 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 8 and 1. So the answer is 186 days. Part C, 144 months into years. Class, when we convert months into years, we have to divide it by 12. 144 divided by 12. Now you can see the division in rough work. 144 is our dividend and 12 is our dividend. 12 1 times is equal to 12. Now subtract 12 from 14, that is equal to 2. Bring down 4 to make 24. Now 12 2 times is equal to 24. Subtract 24 from 24, that is equal to 0. The answer is 12 years. 144 months into years is equal to 12 years. Part D, 150 days into months. Class, when we convert days into months, we have to divide it by 30 because in 1 month there are 30 days. 150 divided by 30. So class, ये 0 is 0 से कट जाएगा. Now you can see the division in rough work. 15 is our dividend and 3 is our divisor. 3 5 times is equal to 15. Now subtract 15 from 15, that is equal to 0. So the answer is 5 months. 150 days in 2 months is equal to 5 months. Next part is part E. 11 months and 29 days into days. Class, first of all, we have to convert months into days, and they mentioned that the answer should be in days. Okay, then we can add. When we convert months into days, we have to multiply by 30. 11 multiplied 30 is equal to dash. You can see the multiplication in our rough work. 11 multiplied 30. 0 1 times is equal to 0. 0 1 times is equal to 0. The second digit from 30, that is 3. 3 1 times is equal to 3. 3 1 times is equal to 3. Now add it. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 and 3. 11 multiplied 30 is equal to 330 days. Now we can add 330 days and 29 days. Let's add together. Days. 9 plus 0 or 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 3. So the answer is 359 days. F. 5 years and 8 months into months. Class, they mentioned that answer should be in months. Okay, first of all we have to convert years into months, then we can add. When we convert years into months, we have to multiply by 12 because in 1 year there are 12 months. Okay, 5 multiply 12 is equal to dash. You can see the multiplication in our rough work. 12 multiply 5. 5 2 times is equal to 10. 1 carry gaya. 5 1 time is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay. 5 multiplied 12 is equal to 60 months. Okay. Now we can add 60 months and 8 months. Let's add them together. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8 and 6. So the answer is 68 months. Okay. Do practice at home. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.